In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Lexmark printer, that is the B2236dw, to your PC Windows computer. This way you'll be able to print using Wi-Fi. So let's start this setup right now. First step is to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi network. So how do you do this? Well, let me show you. On the printer itself, we're gonna press this wrench button here to launch the menu of the printer. Okay, over here we're going to press this right arrow a few times until we see network ports. Press OK. Then press the right side arrow again. Select wireless. Press OK. Press again on the right side arrow. And once you see setup on printer panel, you're going to press OK. It will say choose network. Press OK. And now it will search for all the Wi-Fi networks around you. So you need to select the one that is actually the one that you have in your home or at your office. And you can shuffle through them using the arrows. So this is not mine. Okay, this is mine, Magic Mamaliga. This is my Wi-Fi network name. So I'll press OK once I see my Wi-Fi network. And now it's time to enter the password. It will be a bit frustrating, I warn you, because the only way to enter it is using these buttons. You see, you need to press them a bunch of time until you find your actual letter or number. So I'll go ahead and type mine. So every time you select, you want to select the flashing letter or digit, you're going to press OK, and this way you can write your password. Once you have entered your password, you're going to press OK to confirm, and it will say connecting and then connected. Okay, so once your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi, go on your PC computer. You'll need to go on Google, type in the search bar Lexmark B2236dw, which is the brand and the model of your printer. Go over here and you're going to select Lexmark B2236dw from this list. This is the official website. We need to download the software so that your PC computer is actually able to print. So once you're on this website, you can click over here, accept and close, go down. You're going to see over here, where is it? Okay, support. Click on support. Go down and you should see drivers and downloads. Click on this. Go down and over here you have recommended driver. Click on download driver package. Click on start download. And then you just have to wait. Usually it does not take that much time. But yeah, depending on your network speed, it may take just a few minutes. So come back when this is downloaded. All right, I have double clicked on the file we just downloaded. I'll press yes. We can close the web browser in the back. From here, we're going to select install now. Click on start. Go down here, click accept. Select Wi-Fi Ethernet and click next. Select your printer from the list. By the way, your PC needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. Both needs to be on the same if you want to see it on the list. If you do not see it, press the small icon here. It will reload and hopefully it will appear. Then press next. Once everything is installed, you're going to get this screen with the green check mark. Simply press on finish. From now, go over here in the start menu of your PC computer, then click settings, devices, printers and scanners. Now go over here and check and see if your Lexmark printer is in this list. Mine is over here. Hopefully in your case as well. If you do not see it, you need to press this plus icon and add it manually. But in most cases, it will already be there. See? Perfect. And now you're good to go. You can simply open any file on your PC computer. Let's say this one. press the print button. You just then have to select your printer here. Make sure that these settings are appropriate for the document you're trying to print. For example, in this case, this is not a landscape orientation, it's a portrait. And yeah, the rest is really depending what kind of paper you have input there and the other settings. And once you're done, press the print button and you're good to go. Your PC is now able to print using Wi-Fi and your Lexmark printer. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.